It's just super soft. Everything about this seat screams premium. What's up, guys? Welcome back after a multiple month hiatus on doing anything motorcycle content related. Thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video and coming back and checking out just what we have in store for you today. This one I am super excited for. It is a component from our really good friends at Bad Boys Cycles. Elias, George, the entire family over there, Bad Boys, man, they sent me something. I haven't even opened the box yet. This is a blind reveal. I'm going to be checking it out for the first time with you guys. I'm super stoked. I've seen kind of like teaser pictures of this seat, but I have yet to see it in person or the finished product. So I'm super stoked to check this out. As you guys know, Bad Boys has been one of our very first sponsors on the channel. I mean, we've been doing business together for numerous years now. Amazing company. Honestly, I could go on and on about all the great things about Bad Boy Cycles, what they stand for, what they represent, their customer service, how they treat everyone. I mean, they're just a remarkable company. Not even getting to the remarkable products they put out. And when we first started working together and doing collaborations and stuff together, they were only doing like the very first generation of their seats and then a CVO backrest. Now they have a full lineup of products in their catalog, and every single one of them, they are just knocking things out of the park, doing a fantastic job on everything they set their minds to and do. From the idea to the execution to the final product, they're just killing it. I mean, they're doing a fantastic job with everything. I highly recommend you go check them out. As always, I'll leave their contact information and socials and everything else you need to find them in the description below. But without further ado, let's dive right into this, guys. Right now, as you can see on the Ghost, we have their Freedom Performance Series V2 seat. I love this seat. I have put thousands of miles on this seat. It still looks brand new. It feels brand new. And no, not feeling brand new in a bad way like some of these seats do, where you kind of have to break them in. There's no break-in period on these seats. They're comfortable right out of the box. Whether you're a small guy or a lady or, you know, standard size build like I am, all the way up to dudes that are, you know, 6'6", 6'7", 300 plus, 400 plus pounds, you are going to find a product that works for you. I guarantee it. And if there's not enough padding in that seat for you, for those bigger guys, they will accommodate and make something special just for you. I can guarantee it. So, yeah, the V2, it's been amazing. I thought the V1 was awesome. The V2, night and day difference. Not saying the V1 wasn't great, but the V2, dude, it speaks for itself. Everybody that I've turned on to this seat has absolutely loved it. We did a giveaway a few months back. The lucky winner got one of these seats. They're loving it. Just like I said, the products speak for themselves. So, like, without further ado, I want to tear into this box. And like I said, I haven't even opened it yet. I'm doing this blind reveal with you guys. It's something special for me that they made, and I am eternally grateful for everything they've done for myself, my family, and the channel. So let's do it. Let's dive right into this. All the way down to the details of their tape. Like, this is new tape. It looks like Halloween themed. Bad Boy Cycles tape all the way across the box. And if you guys are anything like me, you absolutely love Halloween. Halloween is honestly the best holiday out of the year, hands down, 100%. Well, I can't say I'm surprised. Their packaging is impeccable. Oh man, they hooked it up with some shirts. I'm seeing the seat for the first time, and holy shit, dude. But let's check out these awesome threads real quick. Dude, Halloween themed threads. How sick is that? Got a pumpkin dude just shredding a bagger. Bad Boy Cycles, got the spiders in there. That's sick. Hell yeah, thank you guys. Let me set this somewhere where it's not gonna get messy. Oh damn, there's a plethora of shirts in here. Oh, this one's sick too. Looks just like the tape they use on the boxing. We got Bad Boy Cycles on the front. Then we got our V-twin motor, exhaust, skull guy on the back. That's sick. Hell yeah. Gonna be rocking those for sure. And of course, they sent one for my wife because that's just how they roll, man. They are super thoughtful like that. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Moment we've been waiting for. Dude, all right. This step-up seat, this is sick. Absolutely sick. Hold on, let me take this out. All right. So they recently started, well, I shouldn't say recently. So when the late 24s and 25 models started coming out, they started doing these step-up seats. And I've always been a big fan of these 2-into-1 step-up seats. I just love the way they look, the ergonomics of them. I love it. Well, they're now doing them for the older generation models like my 23 ST and under. And dude, this thing, I'm blown away, dude. Like, we got multiple different fabrics going on here. Customized stitching, Gimp's Garage in the seat. You guys, you have outdone yourself, man. Like, I know I say that every time, like, you've outdone yourself. And that's because every time they literally outdo themselves. Like, I know it just sounds kind of like a broken record, but they absolutely outdo themselves every single time. And I don't even know what to say, man. This is incredible, dude. Guys, I'm blown away, man. This is something else. Let me bring you guys in for a closer look. Look at this stitching. In my favorite color, Gimp's Garage. We got the Bad Boy Cycle stitching on the side. And this is literally like a suede fabric on the sides and on the back. And then we have like this grippy type of material here. Same for the back, the step up. It's that different, that velvety type of feel. And then we have their marine grade leather right there. And this is actually a little bit different. It looks like this is not perforated like the V2. This actually is just like marine grade. It almost looks carbon fiber. Like, it almost has like a carbon fiber type of look to it. Dude, you guys, this is so sick. Like, you've absolutely outdone yourself. And you look at the bottom, you look at the molding and how it's built. This thing is not a chintzy seat. They go through they cut no corners, you guys. There's no corners cut when they're making these seats. Like, that is phenomenal. Even down to the stamping onto that bottom plate. Bad Boy Cycles stamped right into that metal plate. Like, this is phenomenal, you guys. I know I'm going to sound like a broken record, but you guys have outdone yourselves again. Like, I can't get over this stitching, man. That is amazing. That is incredible. Thank you so much. That is unbelievable. Like, I'm at a loss for words, man. And it feels like I don't even have to sit on this thing. I can feel how pillowy every single section of this is. It's just super soft. Everything about this seat screams premium and comfortability. You guys, man. All right, enough talking and just drooling over this thing. Let's get it on the bike. Wow, you guys, that's all I can say is wow. Like, this thing looks incredible. Absolutely incredible. Just like it was made for this bike. The carbon matches the carbon accents super well. Are you kidding me right now? Like, so some of the step ups, right, from other companies, your passenger pillion, the passenger section is real narrow to where it's you might as well just have a single seater on there because your passenger is going to hate it. Not these. Nope. These are damn wide and don't look gaudy. They don't look oversized. They fit right on top of that rear fender perfectly. Like, it's like a perfect match width with that rear fender. That is phenomenal, you guys. Like, this looks absolutely stunning. If this feels half as good as it looks, I don't know if I'll be able to ride with any of the other seats again. Like, this is truly a work of art. Like, you guys knocked this out of the park, man. Stitching perfect. Every single detail. Not a single stitch out of place. Lined up perfectly. I mean, Gimp's Garage, man, with custom stitching. Come on. Absolutely incredible, man. I truly am blown away. Like, I'm definitely going to go rip around on it right now. I don't care if it is 40 degrees. And I can't. I mean, I can't just let it sit here overnight without getting christened, right? You got a rider, even if it's for a few miles. This, I mean, you guys, man, I don't even know what to say. Like, thank you so much. Like, this is a very thoughtful gift. I am so blessed to have you guys supporting this channel and to have you guys, more importantly, as my friends, my close friends. And yeah, it's like I said, for the people watching, I'm not hyping this up because they're my friends, because they're a sponsor. I've been hyping these dudes when I first purchased a seat from them, before they ever sent me anything free of charge, because I truly believe in them. I believe in their products. I stand 100% behind their products because they are incredible quality. They are an American-based company out of California, a small family operation that does not cut corners. And that is something rare in this industry. And so when you find something like that and you build a foundation of friendships with people like that, you don't let that go, man. Like, you stand behind them, help them succeed because they have earned it. They deserve it. So I'm going to do like any other product on this page or on this channel. I'm going to do a real world review, good or bad. I mean, like I said, it's something would have to be seriously wrong with this thing to be uncomfortable just by looking at it. I haven't even sat on it yet. But you're going to get my honest feedback, like always. I know that that's what they would want as well. So there will be a follow-up video, part 2 of this. But man, I don't know. I don't know. I'm honestly stunned. I'm at a loss for words. Like, people are probably watching this like, oh my God, dude, it's just a seat. It's not just like, it's what this represents. You know, friendship, strong company, great people, great community. They've built a tremendous following of people that support them because of how great their products are and because of their customer service. And like I said, that speaks volumes, man. Like, that speaks massive volumes for me anyway. I can't speak for anybody else, but I don't know. We'll see you on the next one, guys. I'm going to rip. I'm going to go rip it. The height on that is perfect. It is perfect. Guys.
A few moments later.
I'm not kidding. I don't know if you heard any of that over my bike, but that is literally like sitting on a cloud of magic and pillows. Seat is ridiculous. I can't wait to get my wife on the back and get her inputs. Bravo, you guys. You have fucking knocked this one out of the ballpark. Like, good luck to any other company trying to match that. Ain't happening. Not happening. Sorry. Contest over. I don't know what, like, if you're even in the market for a seat, hell, if you're not in the market for a seat, you're like, oh, I'm happy with my seat. No, you're not. Get it. I'm telling you. Get it. Get it. If you're looking for a seat, well, you don't even need to look anymore. There you go. The Viper, Bad Boy Cycles, fucking magical. Give it a shot. You're going to love it. I promise. Like, I don't ever get this excited about stuff. That is, hands down, probably the best thing on that motorcycle right now. All right. Well, I'm going to go ride some more because that was amazing. All right. Much love from Utah. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Thank you again to Bad Boy Cycles, to Elias, to George, the entire family, the entire company. You guys just keep doing what you're doing, man, because it's working. It's working. And, you know, yeah. I'm at a loss for words. All right, I'm ending it there because I'm just rambling at this point. All right, guys, peace out. Bye.